Warm welcome on my YouTube channel, that is Spoken Club. So guys, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, so please go on my YouTube channel and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, so that you could get all notification of my videos, of my upcoming videos. So guys, this is my very humble request, because in this time I have created my new YouTube channel and I have not so many subscribers. I think this time I'm having only 9 or 10 subscribers. So please, I think I need your love here. So guys, I love you all, and please subscribe my channel. Actually, I am beginner. I am going to start my journey on YouTube. So actually, definitely I would need to your love. So please give me your love, guys, really, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And I think I wanted so many things discuss with all of you, because I'm very excited, because I'm going to talk you, love you guys. So actually, okay, first of all, I tell you how to improve my English, and what I used to do when I was learning English. And really, I think there are some techniques which can be used to learn any accent. So actually, I just want to tell you what I used to do when I was learning. So guys, if you interested, really, if you interested for English, and really if you want to be a fluent English speaker, so I think watch my video till end, so that you could improve your accent and you could get idea how English is speaking. Actually, speaking English are not very horrible, very difficult feat. Definitely you can learn, only for having some practice, only for having done some practice. And because practice is very important key, not only English, to learn anything in this world. Because I keep on saying, I keep on telling my all friends, student, but not student friend. I never say I'm a teacher. Actually, I don't want to be a teacher. Actually, I was a learner, I am learner, and I will be a learner. I love student life, I love learning attitude. Okay, I want, actually, in this time I teach a smart class, and in this time I provided a English speaking class, and also I provide a some fashion class, and also I provide a some health class, and also I provide a presentation and personal development class, and also I provide some international class. So actually, in this time I provide a 5 to 6 kind of class. But actually, I never say I'm a teacher, because always I want to be a learner. So actually, I don't know why, I don't know how am I doing this kind of job. I think it is happening with me, just grace of my Thakurji. I love my Thakurji, and I really love my Thakurji. And Thakurji means apne Krishna Kanhaiya. So I love my Thakurji. Okay, so actually, let's start. I was telling you how can you learn English. Okay, so to become a fluent English speaker, and I think first of all, you have to learn simple and basic English grammar concept. So if your basic English structure is absolutely clear, still you are not able to speak English, so don't worry. Definitely would we speak English only for having done some practice. Okay, it's all about a practice game. Okay, so actually, the more you practice, the more you learn. Always remember that point. So actually, I think it was 2016 when I started this type of job, because on that time I was trying to get job, but I think on that time I was not able to get any type of job. So I think I don't know why, but I think I started to teach some very tiny student. And really, on that time I was feeling fantastic. I think when I would teach to all them student. So actually, it was 2016 when I started English. On that time, to be very frank, I'm going to tell you absolutely clear keys that I applied to improve my accent. On that time, I had no any type of good, not good, average, any type of teacher. Okay, I was the alone person on that time. And on that time I had no any type of English institute. And I'm telling to you honestly, I never joined any type of spoken English institute. I never went to any type of English spoken institute. Actually, I learned only for practice, and by books and by some YouTube channel. So actually, first of all, I'm going to tell you very important key factor, which is very important to learn English accent. First of all, you have to watch only and only English serial, English series, English movie, only and only English. Actually, you have to create a English speaking atmosphere surround to us. If you are not having a English speaking person, so don't worry about them. Okay, actually, you can create like this like this environment, so that you could easily learn. Okay, so if you are not having an English speaking person, so I think definitely you would have mobile, and definitely in this time you are using your mobile. So go on your YouTube channel and select some your favorite English program and start to watching on English series. Okay, so really this type of activities will help to you to learn and to understand how sentence is spoken. And if someone is saying something in English, so you should try, or you could speak. Okay, so actually you cannot, not only English, you cannot learn anything until you practice. Practice is very important. Okay, and in this time, when I get time today, I also do it. Okay, so that's why I am telling to you, really it works. Okay, so actually I have realized that really practice very important, and definitely it works. Okay, so what I was telling to you, yeah, so I had notebooks. So when I would watch any type of English series, always I would copy that I could speak a sentence. Okay, so I think definitely I kept doing these activities, and day by day I think I was going to be improved little bit per day. So I think it took only 2 and 3 years, but still I am getting a much better accent. But actually, I think I was thinking I should share my some opinion and my some tips that I applied to get this accent. So I made this so I created this channel, and I'm making this video so you could improve your accent. Okay, so actually English is really very important, no doubt. There is no doubt English is very important, because day by day English is going to be a very essential part in all of life. Okay, so actually if you have a good speaking communication, if you have a good I think if you have a good communication skills, and if you have a good command of speaking English language, so definitely you can achieve, you can get so many things, because there are so many opportunities. And if you and actually it does not matter how many marks are you having, or how many degree and how many diploma are you having. I think if you have not skills, if you have not qualities, so I think you would not be able to get something best in upcoming future. So I think you will have to learn quality, you will have to change yourself. Okay, with the time, according to the time. So I think whenever you get time, whenever you get free space from your busy schedule, so always you must try, you could watch some English series. So actually listening factor is very very important to learn English accent. So actually the more you listen, the more you learn. Okay, always remember that. So if you are when you are going to watch any type of series to spend your free time, so I think always you should try, you should try, you must watch in English. Okay, if you are going to listen any song, your all kind of song, your all kind of TV series, all kind of movies and serials should be in English, no matter if you are getting or not. But actually you have to do it regularly, consistently, not only 1 day 2 days. Definitely it will take some specific time, but actually if you do it it's long time, so very soon you would be able to speak learning. Okay, so actually, and whenever you get time, you should try speak some sentence. Suppose that you are going to other room from another room, so always you should say I am going into the room. Okay, if you are having something, so you should say I am eating this, I am eating that, and why are you going there, and why are you standing here, and what do you need, and how am I doing, and why am I doing, and anything that you could speak very easier. Okay, so don't need to be stressed. Definitely slowly, but English will come to you automatically when you will start to practice. So practice is very important key factor to learn everything. So I think I think on that time when I used to get any free type of space, so always I would try that I could speak some sentence. And I think on that I think I kept this type of activities. Still, I do it, especially whenever I get a free time. So always I watch English series, English movies, and so many other things, so that I could improve my accent much better. So that's why. Okay, so actually, if you think you can speak English only for having some written exercise that you keep on doing in your on your pages on your notebook, so that not good enough. Okay, actually, you will have to do something other, because if you want to get a different result, so actually you you have to do something different. Okay, if you think you will get a different result without doing different work, how can it be? No, impossible. So if you want different result, you will have to do something different. Okay, so I think in the other hand, there is only one way that I think that can help to you, and that is try to talk yourself in English. Try to think something in your mind in English. Suppose that you are going to market, so you should try you could speak some sentence in English. Suppose that if you are going to buy anything, so I think you should ask what is the price of this, and what is this, what is that, and show me this one, show me that one, show me a small one, and show me a red one, show me green one, yellow one, like this, and so many sentence which can be spoken very simple. And actually in English, and when it comes to grammatical part, so let me tell you one thing, really grammar is very important, but actually don't need to learn all those grammar sector. Okay, you have to learn only 3 to 4 type of important concept of grammar, like first of all, you have to learn a simple sentence. That second, you have to learn all kind of present, past, and future tense, and after that you have to learn conditional sentence, and after that you have to learn important passive voice sentence. I think you have to learn, and you can learn some little bit amount less and more than it, but definitely if you learn, I think definitely after that you would be able to speak English. But actually, no matter, if you think you will go when the all signal are green, so I think you will not be able to go at anywhere. Actually, no matter in this time where you are, actually you should start speak from today. So definitely English can be learned, definitely English can be spoken, if you ready to practice. Without practice you would not be able to speak English. So this is the very important factor that you have to do. So please, my good wishes to all of you. Go ahead in your life, get success and practice, and I think wish you a very very sweet time, and thank you so much to watch my video, and we will meet in my next video. And till then, have enjoy, and have so many good time, and love you guys really. And I think I will keep on making this type of helpful videos so that you could improve your accent. So I think wish you a very very good luck, and we will meet in my next video. Till then, keep enjoy, and bye bye, love you guys.